Assalamualaikum to Dr. Lokman and all of my fellow friends. Today, we are from Group Reborn. Want to present about strategic management used by eBay and Amazon. Our group consists of 5 members. First of all is Amirul Faiz, Muhammad Nabi Rizan, that is me, Muhammad Firdaus, Muhammad Azri Afi, and Nuriza Akhmar. First of all, I am going to talk about table of content. We are going to present about introduction, external analysis, internal analysis, strategy analysis and choice, strategy implementation and conclusion of eBay and Amazon. First of all is introduction. First of all is eBay. eBay is American multinational e-commerce company based in San Jose, that is in California, that facilitate consumers to consumer and business to consumer sales through its website. eBay is founded by Pierre Omidyar in 1999 and became a notable success story of the dot-com bubble. The company managed the eBay website and online auction and shopping website in which people and business buy and sell a wide variety of goods and services worldwide through eBay website. eBay also original auction style as sales. That is, the website has evolved and expanded to include instant such as buy it now shopping, shopping by new state product code, that is SBN, and other kind of SKU numbers and other services in eBay website. Next, we move on to Amazon. Amazon is American multinational technology company which focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. Amazon founded by Jeff Bezos from his garage in Bellevue, that is in Washington, on 5 July 1994. Amazon is initially on an online marketplace for books. It has expanded into multitude of product categories. That is a strategy that has earned it the moniker the everything in the store. Furthermore, it has multiple subsidiaries, including Amazon Web Services, that is cloud computing, Zook, that is autonomous vehicles, Kuiper System, that is satellite internet, Amazon Lab 1 to 6, that is computer hardware research and development.
Okay, next I will explain about external analysis, which is pestle analysis, analysis of Porter's 5 horse, EFE metric, and competitive profile metric. For pestle analysis on eBay, for the political is no more firearms, economic unending supply of unique products, social a stepping stone into entrepreneurship, technology the needs to be online 24 hours 7 weeks, and legal is scams everywhere, and environment green shopping. For Amazon, for political is government intention and the scope of the industry and flourishing in the particular area. Economic is taxes remain a constant challenge, which is ever changing number. Social depends on technology to replace employees. Technology is exploring new and effective way of shipping and delivering package. Legal is focused on cybersecurity, and environment is environmental program. Next, for the analysis Porter's 5 horse, for bargaining power of buyers is high because of the customer have a sufficient amount of power, and the bargaining power of supplies is low. There are millions of vendors on eBay. For threat of new entrants is just moderate. Threats of substitute is low for eBay, and the competitive rivalry in the industry is medium to high. Next, for Amazon, for the Porter's 5 horse is first is threat of new entrant is low for Amazon. Bargaining power of buyers is high. For the threat of substitute is high for Amazon. Competitive rivalry is moderate to high, and the bargaining power of supplies is low to moderate. According to the CPM analysis, eBay's CPM value is 2.9, which is similar to that of its competitor Amazon. So on the other hand, due to lack of knowledge about competitors, so eBay is going to focus only on Amazon as the main competitor for its internal analysis, since it is the major threat to eBay in this industry, and same goes to Amazon that focus on eBay as a major trade to this industry. For the EFE matrix eBay, according to the external factor evaluation analysis, eBay score 3.27 for the marketplace section, so indicating that the company is moderately stable in terms of opportunity and threats in this industry. For EFE matrix for Amazon, a weight score of 2.94 is above average and midpoint of 2.5, shows that Amazon has been able to manipulate the opportunities and have been able to counter threats and is doing rather well.
Okay, so we take a look at the mission analysis for eBay and Amazon. Okay, first of all, the mission statement for eBay is to provide a global online marketplace where practically anyone can trade practically anything, enabling economic opportunity around the world. Okay, this mission statement describes how the company intends to position itself as a global destination of choice for all its users. This multinational online auction and retail company is essentially a global trading venue. The company is centered on a global trading platform. So we'll take a look at the Amazon. The mission statement for Amazon is we strive to offer our customer the lowest possible prices, the best available selection, and the utmost convenience. This statement has the following components, which are affordable price, varied selection, and top convenience. Services that go beyond meeting their needs, giving its customer the lowest prices without compromising on the quality of the product that it showcases. So we take a look at the McKinsey 7 analysis for eBay. There is 7 analysis, which is strategy, structure, system, staff, skill, style, and share value. Okay, we take a look. The first one is strategy. To build a balance between short-run cost saving and protecting its core competitive advantage. The structure is diversifying suppliers geographically. System, improve internal process. Staff, recruitment and remote onboarding. Skills, development program. Style, pursue collaborative and inclusive. Share value is sustainability. So we move on to the Amazon, which is the first one is strategy, is the cost leadership business strategy, and then the structure, the Amazon using the hierarchical, the system, Amazon have the wide range of system, and the staff is cultivate its talent and reward. The skill, Amazon need to find skill that capabilities and competence. For the style, it managed by top level manager, and the share value, working hard and playing hard. So we look at the functional analysis for eBay and Amazon. Okay, we look first at the eBay. The organizational structure of a company is a mechanism for successfully implementing and managing strategies. eBay structures allow it to effectively manage strategic plans aimed to attracting more consumers. The function of management of eBay will be explained by 3 segments, which are marketplace, communication, and payment. Intends to launch a customer management program focused on acquiring new users. Okay, eBay also providing solution to a broader range of business users in order to increase their revenue. So we take a look to the Amazon. Amazon has to consider the bargaining power of the consumer as it currently too high. This can be done through benchmarking strategic capabilities. The firm can target companies that have overcome similar challenges in order to learn from them and tailor the lesson learned to their own mandate. Okay, so this is the IFE metric for eBay. Okay. So the total IFE metric for eBay is 3.1, which is lower than Amazon. Amazon IFE metric is 3.18, which if we can see, the IFE metric for Amazon is higher than eBay, which is 3.18 compared to eBay 3.1. So it's shown that Amazon has the major strength and weakness in the functional areas of a business compared to eBay.
For the first strategy analysis, which is SWOT metric, in this slide is an eBay SWOT analysis highlighting the company's strengths and weaknesses as well as its potential opportunities and threats. Next strategy analysis, which is SWOT metric for Amazon. As we can see in this slide, is an Amazon SWOT analysis highlighting the company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The BCG metric will help eBay in implementing the business level strategies for each business unit. The analysis will identify where the strategic business units of eBay The number one brand strategy business unit is a star. This is the product that generates the greatest sale among its product portfolio. Star in the BCG metric eBay has a 20% market share. The overall category is expected to grow at 5% in the next 5 years, which shows that the market growth rate is expected to remain high. The number two brand strategy business unit is a cash cow. This is an innovative product that has a market share of 25% in its category. The overall category has been declining slowly in the past few years. The international food strategy business unit is a cash cow in the BCG metric for eBay. This business unit has a market share of 30%, but people are now inclined less towards international food. This change has led to the decline in the growth rate of the market. For the number 3 brand strategic business unit is a question mark. This strategic business unit is a part of a market that is rapidly growing. However, this strategic business unit has been incurring losses in the past few years. The recommended strategy for eBay is to divest and prevent any future loss from occurring. Lastly, the number 4 brand strategic business unit is Adopt. This is operating in a market segment that is declining in the past 5 years. The company also has negative profit for this strategic business unit. However, it is expected that the market will grow in the future with environmental changes that are occurring. The recommended strategy for eBay is to invest in the business enough to convert a cash cow. The BCG metric for Amazon will help Amazon in implementing the business level strategies for its business unit. The analysis will identify where the strategic business units of Amazon fall within the BCG metric for Amazon. The dots are the products in the BCG metric that are not generating high sales and also do not have a noticeable market share. This product in turn not generate revenue but use the cash investment. That is why these are called a cash trap. Amazon physical store are also categorized as the dog for the company because they are the least competitive in terms of market share. They represent only about 0.015% of market share, which is almost negligible. Star are the products that hold a high market share and are emerging as promising revenue generators for the company. Investment in such products can yield good growth and profit perspective and a chance to become cash cows. Amazon claims to fame is definitely its online store called Amazon.com. It generated around 108 billion in revenue in 2017. This ROI with the high growth rate of the market show that this section is a star in the BCG metric of Amazon. Next, cash cows are the products that bring in good revenue for the company. In this case, the market is very mature, and it can support high sales and high demand from the consumer. Sometimes the prospect of growth in the respective market is low because of an already mature market, but the current standing of the product sustain its ROI and cash cow status. For the fourth quadrant in the BCG metric is question mark product. The product falling in this quadrant are still in the development stage, and the market response to this product is still not very well established. This product can grow into a profitable business, but the limited market share means the ROI is very low, so this product does not have the potential of becoming cash cows. There are two dimensions, which is internal and external. For Amazon, internal dimension that describe a firm's internal strengths and weakness. The internal dimension in space metric are financial strength, FS, competitive advantage, CA, and external dimension describe a firm external traits and opportunity of a firm defined through environmental stability, ES, industry strength, IS, based on the criteria set above. A space metric was drawn for Amazon to analyze which strategy will best suit the Amazon future business activities. It showed ES average negative 2.5, IS average 4, CA average negative 2, and FS average 2.6. After a thorough analysis and relative rating and scoring based on the space metric, it can be concluded that aggressive strategies should be pursued by the Amazon executive. The Amazon can either use integration, market penetration, and market development, or diversification strategy. For eBay, based on the criteria stated above, a space metric was drawn for eBay to analyze which strategy will best suit the company's future business activities. It showed ES average negative 3.6, IS average 4.6, CA average negative 2.5, and FS average 4.7. After thorough analysis, the scoring based on the space metric, it can be concluded that aggressive strategy should be pursued by the eBay executive. The eBay can either use integration, market penetration, product development, or diversification strategies. Grand strategy metric can be defined by understanding business nature, concentration on current market and products. eBay with excess resources can integrate horizontal or vertical. eBay must develop their strategies to ensure great demand, high profit return, and to meet their target market. eBay use all four growth strategies in an integrated manner, which is market penetration, market development, product development, and diversification. We can conclude eBay just need to focus on quadrants 1, which is only have product and market development, market penetration, integration, and diversification. Meanwhile, grand strategic metric can be defined by understanding business nature. Amazon use all 6 growth strategies in an integrated manner, which is market development, market penetration, product development, integration, and diversification. We can conclude that Amazon just need to focus on quadrant 1. Next, we can see that eBay combines co-places them in box 1, which is laid in grow and build. According to its IFE weighted score is 3.1 and EFE weighted score is 3.27. This means they are doing good job on both matrices which we identified earlier. Moreover, eBay has focused on backward, forward, and market penetration, market development, and should have product development. Meanwhile, Amazon also combines co-places them in box 4, which is laid in grow and build. According to its IFE weighted score is 3.18 and EFE weighted score is 2.94. This means that they are doing good job also on both metrics which we identified earlier. Moreover, eBay must focus on backward, forward, and market penetration, market development, and should have product development. From the previous external and internal analysis that have been done, we have conducted several strategy analysis such as SWOT matrix, BCG matrix, space matrix, IE matrix, and grand strategy matrix to help them make a better decision on which strategy that they need to do in order to expand their business. As the conclusion, we found that each of the analysis conclude almost the same thing, which is the suggested eBay and Amazon use an aggressive strategy such as penetration, market development, forward integration, backward integration, product development, and diversification.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Next, I will explain about strategy implementation between eBay and Amazon. Okay, first, what is quantitative strategic planning matrix? Or in another name is QSPM. QSPM is a strategic management approach for top-level management. The method is also used to formulate the marketing strategy. A QSPM is mainly used in evaluating different strategy options and determining the most attractive of the strategies at hand. The method shows the user which of the selected option is the most feasible and prioritize it over other options. As we can see on the slide, for QSPM eBay, we can see the product development is more highest than the market penetration, which is for product development is 5.00 and for market penetration is 4.70. Okay, for QSPM Amazon, we can see the strategy 1 is most higher than the strategy 2, same as before. For strategy 1, the QSPM total is 2.13 and the strategy 2 is 1.39. Next, this is the strategic recommendation that eBay can take it, which is first, to maintain the online community's interaction as simple as possible. Next, to expand their global market while focusing on new product offering in emerging markets. Next, eBay can implement zero fraud by implementing a web security system for fraudulent activities. And the last one is compel the marketing department to improve their advertising. For strategic recommendation, Amazon, the more private brands Amazon.com can list online and outrank other products with the more money they will make. Next, expand further into the grocery market by developing an efficient grocery delivery business. Amazon could use their Whole Foods acquisition to expand the company, and the last one is by using Whole Foods too, Amazon can reach more customers by offering grocery delivery through those stores as well. For the suggestion of policy for eBay is managers should be aware of eBay's expansion. The current employees should receive 10 until 50 days of training, as should new employees. And the last one, eBay can provide a bonus to employees who perform exceptionally well. For the last one, which is Amazon, uh, the suggestion of policy that they can make is customer service promotion, technology focus, and improve the logistics. Action to be executed for eBay is evaluate and redefine eBay's standard operating procedure. Next is the main transportation and redesign for cost or time efficiencies. Optimize the warehouse management for maximum productivity, and the last one is embrace automation and make the most of new technologies. Thank you.